So if you've just started out with online business, whether it be affiliate or Shopify, eBay, or Amazon, or if you've been in it for a while and had very little success, boy, you want to stick around for this. Hi, my name is Greg King, and welcome to my video on Make Money on YouTube Without Making Videos. Quit throwing your money away on Google Ads. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how I get to the top of Google, YouTube, and the Google carousel within 24 hours. And in fact, sometimes within minutes. And then in a moment, I'm going to share with you some examples of how consistent this 24-hour ranking system is that Paul Murphy has. And also at the end, I'm going to put a link in the screen and also in the description box of how you can take a look at what Paul has to offer and see if it makes sense for your business. I can say this, that it has done a huge thing for my business. Anyways, let's get going. I'm going to actually just make it very abbreviated. I'm just going to get right to the points. And I'm going to show you what's really cool of what happens when you take advantage of Paul's 24-hour ranking process and also his 5-step formula. Now, a little bit of background is I was basically floundering with my online business and was in Shopify and just did some other stuff. And what the biggest problem I had was not making videos. And as a caveat, you don't have to make videos with yourself in front of the camera. I do this because I'm the brand. However, 99% of all the videos that you do on YouTube, they're faceless. So I just want to clarify that right now. But 100% of the concern is getting your videos to your bona fide buyers, your hot buyers. And Paul has basically unlocked the key to ranking. Well, he has, because based on the example I'm going to show you, it works every time. And it's not something that is, well, it's all organic and free, unlimited free ads in Google. What it is, it doesn't take 6 months or a year to get up to the first page. You can do it literally immediately. And you can see with this one, I did this in 1 minute. I put it onto YouTube, my video, and then it went on to Google and the Google carousel. Now, the great thing about this process and this program is 75% of the people go to Google first to Google an item. Then they go to YouTube to find out the success and results of these. So it's a 1-2 punch. And if you can get in front of bona fide red hot buyers, because 75%, up to 75% actually do that now after this COVID fiasco. People aren't going belly to belly anymore. They're actually a little fearful of talking to strangers, but they're definitely shopping a heck of a lot more on YouTube and Google. And you know what? If you can get 1% more buyers in an industry that is incredibly broad and literally have no competition, I mean, it would do wonders for it would actually do wonders for your business. And the great thing is you don't have to go out there and talk to people. They come to you. Next one is first page in a matter of minutes is make money on my call to action is make money on YouTube without making videos. And the reason I do that is because no one likes making videos. I think people would rather die than make videos or do public speaking. And it took me a ton of time. I was diagnosed with dyslexia earlier in my life, and even today I struggle. And as soon as I get in front of a camera or in front of people, my first words out of my mouth are "duh." So you can see here, you can see the power of how great this formula is. And you can see, again, it was just done in minutes and front page. And you don't need a lot of views, not like monetized videos where it takes you forever to do. This would work for your affiliate marketing. This would work for your Shopify sales. This would work for any trade, any service, or any affiliate marketing. It is a very powerful tool, and it works every time. Like, you just put it in. It took me 10 days to go through the 24-hour ranking system, then the 5-step formula to get all my ducks in a row. Then after that, I just became number one in my niche every time. Now, the cool thing about it, and I'm going to show you here, is when you get into your niche, Google, when you start putting, excuse me, not Google, but YouTube, when you start putting videos up, YouTube will look at it and think that you're a real master, a specialist in your market, in your niche. And they'll start grouping these videos all together, and they start ranking them like all together. So it's not uncommon to get the very first page of Google and of YouTube when you take advantage and actually do the 5-step system that he has. And there's no shortcuts. I'm not going to color this all with rose-colored glasses. I mean, you're going to have to work at it, there's no question, but it does make a lot of sense. Now, when you hit the link, which I'm going to show you at the end of the video, is you're going to come to this, and this is Paul Murphy. And this is what I saw when I first started out. And I was like really bitter, and everyone's promised me success, and I was just getting nothing but all my success was thrown back into ads. So everything I did in Shopify, I made some money on Shopify, then I threw it back into ads. And I equivalent ads of Shopify, ads for Google, Bing, and YouTube is like a boat. You just keep on hammering and shoveling money into this money pit. Now this guy, you can, take a look at it and see what you think of it. He promised 100% free ads on Google and YouTube. And I thought, okay, let's see what, I was very hesitant. And when Mom said in the back of my head, like when I think about Mom's word, is if it's too good to be true, chances are it's too good to be true. So I just basically challenged Paul, and I said, okay, let's see what you have. And there's no question that he put his money where his mouth is, and my results have been extraordinary. And I'm sharing this with you because I think everyone who's in business, regardless if it's online or even in a store, needs to take advantage of this, because there's two common denominators in all businesses. One is lowering ad costs and increasing volume. And I would strongly check this out. Well, I hope you found this video interesting, informative, and of value for your business. And you can see how this would actually increase sales and volume for your business. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm going to put Paul's information in the screen and also in the description box. And you can take a look at it today or tomorrow and check it out and see if it makes sense for you or not, and see if it would make sense for your business. You be the judge. Now, in the meantime, always click the like button, the subscribe button, and leave a comment below in the comment section, and we will see you in the next video. Have a great day.